Hello everyone. Today, we're going to show you how to manually upload a custom PHP website with xCloud hosting. Let's get started. First, log into your xCloud dashboard. Then click on New Site button, choose your server and hit on the Next button. And from the options, select Custom PHP. Then, click Manually Upload Website to begin uploading your custom PHP site. Then, choose the destination server where you want your site to be hosted and hit Next. Add your source site URL, and if you're migrating to a new domain, you can set that here too. For this tutorial, we'll use a demo site on a staging domain. Select that and then click Next. Now, it's time to configure your site settings. Choose your PHP version, set your site users, and most importantly, define the web root, the folder that contains your index.php file. If your files are inside a folder like the public HTML file, make sure to update the web root to that folder. Now you can create a new database, add your existing database, and you can proceed without creating a database. Here, we are going with the Create Database and Server option. Once you click on it, your database creating process will be started and you will get the database credentials. You can copy them to use them further and click on the Next button. Next, let's upload your custom PHP website files. Click on the Upload field to upload the zip file that contains your PHP site. Afterward, click on the Next button. In the Database tab, you can configure your preferred database setup. If you are ready to upload an existing custom PHP website to xCloud, click the Start button. Within a few moments, your PHP website will be uploaded on xCloud automatically. You will see the following screen while uploading. And that's it. Once the upload is complete, you'll see this confirmation screen. Click on Go to Dashboard to get access to your newly deployed site. After the migration is completed, if you visit the site, you can see the newly custom PHP site that you have uploaded with xCloud. That's how easy it is to manually upload a custom PHP website to xCloud. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips. Happy hosting!